my hair. Come on and braid my hair. Back in my hood.
Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan.Sinclaire and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, how are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. And if you're old to my channel, hi love, you already know who I am. It's your girl, back again for another video. And today I'm giving you this goddess halo braid bun, and I put it on my IG story as a joke, thinking you guys would not answer me, and you guys answered me. And I said, if you guys want to see how I took this,
oh my god,
to this, then vote yes or no. And you guys mostly voted yes, which was very shocking because I only like do makeup and stuff on my channel and travel and all that, but like beauty wise it's mostly makeup. So it was kind of cool to see you guys want to know about my natural hair journey. I am transitioning. It is hard, and honestly I don't know how to do my hair, not gonna lie. I don't know how to do my natural hair if it is not washing, straightening, curling, and rolling. Braiding is not me. Like this was it wasn't bad like at all, but this was just what I needed as a person who cannot braid their own hair. So now I'm finding different protective styles that I can do myself, because again I don't know how to do my hair like at all. So I mean, like, I went to an event with pretty curls, my hair was just gorgeous in this flexi rod set, and I ended up looking like that.
oh hell no.
And after the event, and I only had 20 minutes left for class. 20 minutes before class. And so I was like, I gotta do something in my head, because I went to class looking like cute and now I look like Boo the Fool. So I gotta do something. And so I had some extra braiding hair laying around, and I did my hair, and like surprisingly I got so many comments and compliments, and it was overwhelming because I'm like, y'all really like this? Like I just did this to make my hair look somewhat decent, but I mean, yeah, y'all like it, I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I achieve this in under 10 minutes. So let's go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
We're going to need the most important thing, braiding hair. I got 50 inches. Now, the longer the inch, the better. But you can go to your beauty supply store. I suggest buying 4 packs. A paddle brush, a soft brush, a comb, whatever you use to do your edges. Some people use toothbrushes. I have an edge brush. Eco styling gel. I got this from Impressions of Beauty. If you don't know who Impressions of Beauty is, make sure you follow them. It'll be in the description box below. Rubberbands as well. And whatever you tie up your hair with, I use a scarf. Okay, I'm gonna start first with parting my hair in the middle part. First, I'm just gonna brush this out because your girl and her hair has been kind of rough lately. If you have some oil, go ahead and add oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So after I've added oil, now I'm going to be adding my Eco Styling Gel to my hair just to slick it back in a ponytail. So now you see that my hair is slicked back. My hair gets poofy, the ends get dry, and so what I'm gonna do is add more oil to the back of my ponytail and braid it up and put it in a bun. This is key when you're attaching the braiding hair to make the halo braid. Using the EBIN, my favorite green top, really works. 24-hour hold edge tamer. I take my edge control brush and just slick it down. I really don't have baby hairs. Like, I'm not a baby hair fan, so you won't see that from me, honestly. Now I'm taking my scarf and we're just gonna tie down my hair so my hair can be suitable for when I put the halo braid. When I tie down my hair like 10 minutes before I do all the braiding, then I mean, like, it's lasts all day, and now my hair is starting to frizz up, so like it really needs to be tied down. Okay, my hair is just gonna stay tied down until I can braid, and then we're gonna take it loose. The braiding here already comes on a rubber band, so I'm gonna keep it on that rubber band. I didn't feel like getting my wig stand down, so I'm gonna attach it to my background setup. We're just gonna leave that rubber band on. So right here, guys, make sure that you braid the hair all the way down to the end. I secured my braid with a rubber band as well. In this video, I didn't show that, but I braided 3 braids, and also I take a pair of scissors and cut the ends off because I just don't like the straggly ends. So now we're gonna take our braids and we're gonna attach them to the back of our bun ponytail thing we made earlier. So like I said, keep the rubber band attached and it's gonna go around the back of my ponytail. Okay, now you have 2 braids sitting on the side, and we're going to loop one across my head, and then the other one is gonna make a bun. We're gonna take this first one and we're gonna loop it going across my head. Okay, so now that it's looped, it should touch the next braid, and then I'm gonna add pins so it can stay, because that's the kicker. Okay, so now that this is together, you see it touches the ends all the way to the back. Now we're gonna take this braid, wrap it around to make a bun, and I wanted my bun to be super big. That's why I braided 3 braids. So you have 1 halo braid at the top and 2 braids to make a bun, and we'll add the next braid later. So now that we have the bun wrapped around, we're gonna pin it because we want it to stay. And I like my bun to be big, so I'm gonna add another braiding braid around. But first, we're gonna secure this one. So now you have your halo braid with the bun, and we're gonna make the bun a little bigger. We're gonna take the 3rd halo braid and we're just gonna wrap it around. I made little attachy curlies. All you have to do is like take a piece of the braiding hair, attach it to a hairpin, and flexi rod it and dip it in hot water. So if I want these, I can. If I don't, I don't. But we're gonna stick these in here just for good measure. I made these detachable because I mean, like, if I don't want these, and like if I go to bed, I can just take them out. So yeah. So yeah, now you have this halo bun braid. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below, let me know how you like this look, what you like about it, and make sure you share this video and other videos on your IG stories. Tag me in it, let me repost you guys, and make sure you follow me on IG and Twitter. That's how you know the deets for my channel. Everything below is in the description box. I love you lots. Bye.